Pruners impressed me enough that now I'm curious. We gotta test it against the DeWALTs and see who's stronger here. Where did you come from? Hey guys, this video, I want to show you the single best way to do all your lawn pruning. Anything you have around the yard, trees, shrubs, bushes, if you got to cut it, these things work amazingly. These are the CC cordless pruners. And they were nice enough to send me these for free so I can make a video showing them to you. In 1 second, we're going to get out to the yard. I'm going to show you exactly what these guys are capable of. But these things are super amazing for if you have arthritis, carpal tunnel, maybe you're just getting a little older up there in age, don't have the strength that you're used to, or you want to work smarter, not harder. These things make it super easy, and you'll be impressed by what they can cut. I'm going to show you in 1 second. You are very much going to be impressed. So this set comes with the case. You get two 4-amp-hour batteries, which is really amazing. And these pruning shears, they are not battery hogs. They're not going to suck down the battery super fast, so having two 4s is going to last you a super long time. Of course, you get the instructions, you get a couple of tools, you get a replacement blade if you need to. You have a little stone for sharpening it if you'd like. Now, if we take a look at the tool itself here, we do have a power button on the bottom. It doesn't have your traditional safety latch, but it does have this power button. So it won't do anything unless you turn it on. And then you'll notice all 4 lights light up. When I pull the trigger, nothing happens. It is still locked. It is on, but it is locked. Let's give it 2 quick ones. It is now unlocked. You'll see this. Well, I think I have it in the 4th mode, so it's going to look the same. But there you go. So since we're talking about the modes, let me tell you, there are 4 modes. So if I go to the first mode, look at the gap between the blade there. Now watch. Now let me switch to mode 4. It's mode 4. It controls how wide it opens. So if you're cutting smaller stuff, maybe beneficial for you to keep it narrower, or you could just leave it on 4, but that's what your different modes do. Then the other kind of cool thing is you have a battery gauge, you have a cut meter. Whoops, gotta hold it all the way down. How cool is that? Now, I don't know how practical it is. I guess if you had 2 of these things, you could do like a little competition, although be careful. Or see how many cuts you get per battery. I don't know, but it shows you how many cuts you've made. And every time you turn it off and turn it back on, that resets. Also, the batteries themselves have a battery level indicator. You can see this battery is fully charged, all ready to go. And then we can just hold this button right here to turn it off. And of course, no more cutty, because you do not want to put a finger in there. You don't put anything in there that is attached to you, because it will not be any longer. These things are not a toy, that's for sure. So let's get outside, give these CC cordless pruners a shot. That was a good one. I'm pretty impressed by that. Think you can go through that? That's thick. Oh, wow. Pretty good. This is thick enough I can't even get the blade in it, so there's no way it's cutting through this. Alright, that was pretty good. It's impressive. took 2 chomps. Got it. You know what I've used these for also? Cutting plastic, like plastic hoses. Or like conduit or like irrigation line, stuff like that. It's worked really good for that. Well, let's see. This is pretty aggressive. Oh, we got it stuck pretty good. Hey, I think we're gonna get it. I think we're gonna get it. Oh yeah. Took a couple of bites at the apple, but look at that. That was pretty good. Pruners impressed me enough that now I'm curious. We gotta test it against the DeWALTs and see who's stronger here. Let's try the DeWALT right about here. DeWALT got through it. It just beeped at me for some reason. And I think that was 4 chomps. 4 bites of the apple for the DeWALT. And the CC, oh, it went off. There we go. Double pump it. CC. Oh, I thought it was stronger. As we were cutting things, I was like, boy, I don't think my DeWALT could do this. Wow. Look at the DeWALT one. Look at the DeWALT one. Nope. I don't think you can get it. Got it. Well, we did 47 cuts, and it still says a full charge on the battery. Well, I didn't intend this video to be any kind of head-to-head competition, but boy, once I got that CC out and realized how strong it was, like, boy, it is a lot stronger than my DeWALT one. And I think that little test there kind of proved it. So I like them. I am pretty impressed with these CC pruners. Now, one other thing I do like about this brand, this is the second free item they've given me. We also did a video on a pump and it worked out pretty well, but they have a pretty robust cordless tool lineup. Not quite as big as some of the big boys like DeWALT and Milwaukee and stuff, but if you start getting into their batteries and their tools, you can definitely get a lot of different things. So you're not stuck with just like 1 or 2 items that use that battery platform. Kind of hard to argue with this thing. I'm really shocked at how strong it was. I did not expect that at all. So there it is, guys, the CC pruners. Thanks for watching.